Hello, this is Manang Mimi from Nebraska, USA, and I'm going to continue my DIY about about the project Cricut Explore Air 2. So I'm gonna show it to you how to make an iron-on T-shirt using vinyl and Cricut. So we're gonna direct to the point. The last time I downloaded the Cricut Design Space and connect my Cricut machine, and then I'm gonna link below in my video, and you can check what did I do in my Cricut machine. And then this is the project that I'm going to show to you how to make your own iron-on t-shirts. Okay, so here we go. Okay, the last time I downloaded a Cricut Design Space. So what we're gonna do, because I already saved it in my computer, click that.
Why you arrange the bed?
So, and then afterwards you click new project. So I try to make it closer, and then hold on, click that one, click upload, and then if you don't already have image, you click this area here and then upload if you already have your design that you save in your computer.
Okay.
So we're gonna do is click, and then I already have a lot of design that I save in here, but if you don't have that design, you can go to google.com. That's what I'm gonna do. And see, all you do is just type what you want, dog mom, or it's kind of like that, and then you drag this picture and save it in your computer, and then open Cricut and then upload. So you upload, and then if you already save your image, like this one, I save it already. Insert images, and then there. And after that, if you want to, change the size, so if you want to see what it looks like if you open a template, you have, for example, you're going to print in a classic t-shirt, so it's a woman shirt sleeve, and it's medium size. Okay, hold on. So that's the one that, and want to get those. Okay, you can change the color of the
Still hiccups there.
in there like that. You just want it smaller, or see, like that.
No, a big. I want a really small one. Really small.
You can adjust if you want, and you can click. After that, if you are satisfied, click make it, and you can also rearrange if you want to. And don't forget to click the mirror, so it's not, your t-shirt will gonna looks good. Okay, and 9x8, so I can cut 9x8. Okay, I'm gonna measure 9x8. Okay, it's 9x8. I will just say it. Okay, and then like that, and I want to cut it to 8. There, Now I'm going to cut it. There. Next thing is going to continue. And this is our mat in our iron-on. We use yellow. And click load. There. I think I moved something in it. You see those? The Cricut. This is a load, and then this is when you print it. There. And you can check here the progress. How far. Okay. This is my easy press that I'm going to use, and it's done. Okay, it says unload material, and it's linking unload and finish. Okay, we're done in that one. Close it, and now what we're gonna do is, okay, I'm gonna use, oops, excuse me. Yeah, you know, this part. Yeah, it's short. It's be careful not to rip up some of the. Okay. See. Okay. There. And try to clear. It's a little dark, so yeah. I don't know if you see what I'm doing. Try to get the small. Okay, look. This is our design, and make sure that it didn't left anything. Oh, there's still 3 more. Okay, now we are ready to there. The reason why we reverse that we mirror it is when we put this is in the top, the shiny is on the top, and the vinyl is in the bottom when we press it. But when we print, the shiny is in the bottom and the vinyl is in the top. But when we press again, don't forget, the shiny is on the top. Okay, and now we're gonna press this one. We're gonna warm our, okay, 305 for 30 seconds. We're gonna wait until it's warm and prepare our t-shirt. Then try to press the area where we put our iron on, so it's flat and the moisture is, suck the moisture and make it, and then flip it in the back too. Okay, I will gonna fold into from the very bottom underarm in here, so I know which one is the lines, and I'm gonna fold those to the other side, so I know which the center of this. Okay, it's like that, and press, so I know we can put it in the center, then fold it the other way. Okay, and I'm gonna press. press that too to get the center. So now we know which the center. This is the center and this is the center in here. So now we're gonna put, okay, if you want it little lower, it's up to you, and if you want it, you can adjust it. Okay, that's the center, and I want it like that. Okay, and then next thing is 305 for 30 seconds, and put it in 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay, while waiting, and then it will beep when it's all ready. And in the other side, you press it for 15 seconds. And there, 654, beep. And there, and we're gonna reverse it. I mean flip that to the other side, so we press it for 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Oh, and then press it here. There. Okay, just move that one away. Okay, it's already. And usually I let it cool a little bit, not so very cold, but just a little bit, so it will not peel off. Now we were gonna peel it off. Hold on. Get slowly but surely. It's hard when you peel it up and you hold the camera. There it is. Here, this is the finish. Okay, and I also make the pink one, and I have already the different designs and print, I mean, and this one, it's easy. That's all. Thank you for watching our video, and hope you guys have a good day and night.
Bye bye. See you later.
Don't forget to subscribe for more coming project, and hit like and
hit the YouTube bell.
bye.
Bye.